All right, here are hands down the best SEO tools to use with Claude. I'm going to go through all of these, how to use them so you can start using them for your business. A lot of people just are missing out on this stuff, and it can really help you get a lot more traffic and better rank and all the things you want to get out of your business. So first and foremost, we're going to go into customize here inside of Claude, and there's a lot of things that you can do to customize your Claude workspace, including adding different connectors. And this connects with most apps, and you can kind of go in here and browse connections to kind of see what you can connect in here, and then you can basically you can link to them and then reference them in Claude, and it'll basically be able to leverage the information and the data that they are presenting. So if you just search for SEO, you have two here. You have Semrush and you have Ahrefs, which you can connect to. And if you have those paid accounts, you can pull all that data in and use it with Claude prompts, Claude artifacts, anything that you want to leverage with Claude, and that's a pretty good start. However, these are paid, and there are some other different ways to be able to leverage SEO inside of Claude that's not going to cost you as much money. So the other thing that you can do is if you go in here and you look for plugins, you can search for SEO this way. And you'll see search fit SEO. So you can add this. I already installed this, but you can add this as a plugin. And then there's a variety of different skills that you can use. If you hover over each, you can see which skills that it has. And you can use it for content strategy, content brief, broken links, AI visibility, keyword clustering, on-page SEO. So basically, once this is added, then you can use any of these skills with inside of Claude referencing it. So if you just do a front slash, since I installed it already, you can kind of see AI visibility is a skill, and then you can put whatever website that you want in here. So if we just do like tesla.com, hit enter, it'll run that skill and basically give us a breakdown of the visibility, AI visibility within Tesla. All right, and this is pretty cool. Here's the AI visibility report for Tesla. Obviously, you would expect this to be doing pretty well. Competition comparison, priority action plan. So it's building out all of this stuff to help you get more AI visibility. And you saw there's a bunch of different skills that are built in that you can leverage with this plugin, which is really cool. The other thing that you can do is just use Claude prompts to build out your own skill set, because Claude is an amazing tool in itself to scrape the web. You can download the Claude Chrome extension. It can scrape any website, find competitor gaps, find competitor opportunities, scrape their pages, find out what they're doing well, what they're not doing well. And same thing with your own. So that really just comes down to the right prompts. So here are a bunch of prompts. If you type in arvo.com/prompts, a lot of these can help you as far as your SEO and do an analysis on your site and competitor sites. So these are really good. These are very good. Here's one that does technical SEO audit. Here's SEO workflow. Here's local SEO Claude prompts. Here's one for autonomous SEO content and distribution engine. This one is fantastic. So what this one does is basically it will go out and look at your competitor's website, your top competitor websites. It'll analyze all the sites, find out what they're doing well, find out what they're not doing well, and find gaps in the market. It'll bring that data back to you, extract everything, find the keywords and titles, blog titles, page titles that you should be using in your content, right? And then what it can do from there is it can help set up the structure of that content, and then you can send it via the API to our friends here at Arvo to create the bottom of the funnel high search intent blog articles for your website that get a lot of traffic, that rank, that will include all of your brand assets. So it'll internally link all your money pages together, include the bottom SEO structure, everything that AIs are looking for and Google is looking for to build that out. Then, if you want, you can pull that RSS feed of optimized SEO blogs, create social media like Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want to do, content, right? It'll create those posts for you. And then via Blotado's API, it'll post the posts for you. So it's a complete automation funnel all done from an SEO perspective. So that was a very quick and dirty version of it, but it's really, really awesome. Check out previous videos I've done on it. Awesome workflow that I went in and I did complete A to Z setup videos, but it's pretty hard. It's pretty easy. You just go in here, copy this prompt, paste it into Claude, and then the rest is done for you. It's pretty easy. But Arvo is a great tool to work with Claude as well. Like I said, you can go in here and configure this and use their API if you have that plan and connect it with their API. So then once it's connected, then you can connect your website. It connects with any website. So you can connect any website to Arvo. So basically Arvo will produce your amazing SEO content and then it'll push it out and publish it on your website. And you can set this up 100% automated. So it'll 100% automate this for you from an SEO standpoint, which is really, really cool. But there's a lot of really great tools built into Arvo that you can utilize as well outside of just the API connection. So you can do, if you don't want to do it via API, you can set this up. You can do it manually. You can type in the keyword and the title and it'll produce amazing articles for you. Because if you go in here, you can see you can basically configure this to include your site call to action. So with your website call to action, your site map. So it'll link all your pages together and it'll embed all of your assets, internal linking, external linking, your images, your videos, your knowledge base. So you can include your website here. So basically it's going to use all of your brand assets and incorporate those in the article. So it's using AI, but it's not going to be AI slop because it's using your brand assets and it's pulling all that information together to create new value-driven articles, which is really, really good. So here's one. You can see if you open this up, here's all the bells and whistles. So it has images, alt text, meta description, H2s, H3s, internal linking, external linking, excerpts. So all the stuff that AIs are looking for to be able to get on AI overviews, LLM citations, all the things, and Google. So Google's looking for fresh new content, and this is helping you do that because it's including your brand assets. The other cool thing inside of here is it has a site optimizer. So you can type your website URL and it'll optimize your site from an SEO standpoint. It'll find images that need alt text. It'll find pages that need meta description. So it helps you polish that. Then you can do the backlink exchange. So this is really cool. You just put your website in here and it's a backlink exchange. The way this works is all of the thousands of users that enter the backlink exchange have backlink opportunities in here. So when they're creating their content, right, they're creating blogs, it goes and looks at the backlinks. And then whatever backlinks make sense to link to, they'll put in those blogs. So if you have your backlink in here and they choose to link to it and it makes sense for their website, it's going to basically link inside their page. And vice versa. When you're creating articles, it's going to go look and see if it can find relevant backlinks and include those in your articles as well. Most users get 1 to 3 backlinks or more a day. And this is completely automated, which is really cool. And another thing, like kind of like the other thing that we saw that Claude did was an LLM brand monitor. So this sees how you're showing up in LLM searches. So you can add your own prompts or it'll generate some for you. And then you can see, okay, for this prompt, for this search term, how am I showing up? Am I showing up in ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity? And it has the scores that you're showing, the visibility score, and then the sentiment. So you can make sure, like, okay, is there any sites talking trash about my brand? Do I need to fix that? So that's really cool to kind of keep an eye on what is happening from an LLM and AI perspective. And there's also an analytics tab, so you can analyze any domain. So this takes the place of Ahrefs, Semrush. You don't need those tools anymore. This is going to analyze your domain and give you those stats. So this is the all-in-one SEO tool combo that you can use and pair this nicely, with Claude, and use it with Claude in conjunction with Claude. But those are the basic SEO bells and whistles that you guys can use with this tool outside of just the content, because it's an all-inclusive, full throttle approach, holistic approach to SEO and to be able to grow your website and do the things that your competition is not doing. And a big part of that is using the right tools in the right way. And this will definitely help you do that. So there's links below to all this stuff, to Arvo, so you can check this out. If you want those prompts, you can go to arvo.com/prompts. These are all fantastic prompts to use with Claude as well to grow your business and overtake your competition. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you. Check out this other video on SEO and AI automation. Have an amazing rest of your day.